Hello students, in the last video we have seen the Bode plot for constant gain k, simple pole at origin, multiple poles at origin, simple zeros at origin and multiple zeros at origin. Now we will see the Bode plot for first order factor, that is 1 by st form. That means the pole at some value. I will see how its Bode plot will look like. Simply I will take the magnitude. So 1 by 1 plus st. In frequency domain it is 1 by 1 plus j omega t. So magnitude will come as 1 by a plus jb is root a square plus b square is the magnitude. This is my magnitude. So if I will take in dB, then 20 log of this value. 20 log of this value, as it is a root of something is to the power half, so it is in denominator. Then when we will move it to numerator, it will be -1. -1 will be first multiplied to the power half, then half will be again multiplied 20 with half, that is -10 log 1 plus omega square t square. This is simple arithmetic. So my magnitude in dB will come as -10 log 1 plus omega square t square. Okay, what will be the phase? As I told, a plus jb form, it is in complex form and it is in denominator, so minus sign will come, tan inverse y by x, so my phase is tan inverse of omega t. Here we can see there is a term omega t. So I will say we will check with the variation in omega t how my magnitude is changing. So when omega t is very much less than 1, when omega t is much less than 1, so I can neglect this omega square t square term. Then what will remain? -20 log of 1. As I told, the log of 1 is 0, so my magnitude will come as 0 dB. When omega t is much greater than 1, then here omega square t square is there. That means omega t square will be much greater than 1. So we can neglect this one term. So my magnitude will come as 10 log of omega square t square, same, that is omega t whole square. So 2 will be multiplied, that will come as -20 log of omega t. I will vary omega t. When I will take omega t as 1, that is log 1 value is 0 dB. When omega t is 10 times, I am changing it to 10 times, my value will come as -20 dB. So here we will get a very interesting result. See, when omega t value is less than 1, so its value is 0 dB. That means my graph is a flat 0 dB line. At omega t is equals to 1 also, my value is 0 dB. Omega t is equals to 1, or I can write omega is equal to 1 by t. So this frequency is called corner frequency omega c. So at corner frequency value is 0 dB. When we further increase omega t to 10 times, then the value is -20 dB. So -20 dB. With further 10 times increase in frequency, my magnitude reduces by 20 dB. Thus, this straight line has a magnitude of -20 dB per decade. So what conclusion we got from this graph? It basically consists of two straight lines. One is a horizontal line at 0 dB, another one is a straight line having slope -20 dB, and both meet at a point, that is omega c is equal to 1 by t, which is called as corner frequency. So I conclude here that the magnitude plot is a horizontal straight line of 0 dB when omega t is less than 1, and as a straight line with a slope of -20 dB per decade when omega t is greater than or equals to 1, and two straight line meet at a point which is called as corner frequency. So this is the factor 1 by st. When there are multiple factors, that is 1 by st to the power n, multiple factor, so simply like we found for single factor, here n will be multiplied with each term. So my magnitude will come as -10 n log 1 plus omega square t square, and phase will come as minus n into tan inverse of omega t. So n will be multiplied with each term since there is a power of n. So same thing we will do for omega t less than 1. My value will be minus 10 and log of 1, log 1 0, that is 0 dB. And omega t is much greater than 1, my value is minus 20 log of omega t. So when we take omega t value as 1, so value is 0 dB, and omega t is equals to 10, my value is minus 20 n. That means if there is a term of 1 plus j omega t to the power 2, then what will be my slope? 20 into 2 minus 20 into 2, that is minus 40. So same conclusion we can find here, that is it is basically two straight line. Up to corner frequency my value is 0 dB, and after corner frequency my value is minus 20 n dB per decade. This is my slope. So it is basically a two straight line. First straight line is 0 dB up to corner frequency, and another straight line which starts from corner frequency has a slope of minus 20 n dB per decade. Here we have discussed for a simple pole. Now I will move to simple zero, that is a factor 1 plus st. So for simple zero, instead of going through mathematical derivations, exactly same derivation will come. I will give you the conclusion. What conclusion we will get for a simple zero? My Bode plot is a straight line. So same thing, it is basically two straight line. Up to corner frequency, my my horizontal line is 0 dB, and after corner frequency it is a straight line having slope plus 20 dB per decade. For pole it was minus 20